All right, here we go again. Another day, another Windows 11. Oops, we broke your PC moment. For just confirmed, Microsoft just confirmed a brand new issue. After update KB5077181, people can't download or install new updates. Some of them, anyway. Not a security patches, not bug fixes, nothing. They can't update. Here's the part that gets me. This isn't a glitch. This is a pattern. Every time Windows pushes one of these updates, older PCs get hit the hardest. Machines that were running fine yesterday suddenly can't update, can't patch, can't stay secure. And what does Windows say? We're investigating. Meanwhile, your PC is stuck in limbo. Uh, Might have been better to stay with Windows 10 because it was going to be stuck in limbo too. And this is where the digital sovereignty angle kicks in. Because when your operating system controls whether you can update, whether you can stay secure, whether your machine even functions, that's not ownership, that's dependency. You bought the hardware, you paid the license, but Microsoft still decides when your machine is allowed to work. And people on older PCs, this is the beginning of the end. First, its updates won't install. Next, it's your device won't meet requirements. Then it's time to buy a new PC. But because you choose to, not because you choose to, but because the system forced your hand. And that's the sovereignty problem. When companies can break your machine with a patch and you just have no say, no rollback, no control, you don't own your computer anymore. You're renting it from the update service. So, yeah, this isn't just a bug, this is a warning. A reminder that Windows 11 is moving toward a new world where your hardware gets pushed out, one update at a time. And for a lot of people, this update failure is the moment when they realize maybe it's time to look at alternatives. Maybe it's time to take back control. Maybe it's time for sovereignty. Anyway, that's the ramble. If your updates are stuck, you're not alone and you're not crazy. This is happening to a lot of people. Stay sovereign, stay safe, and maybe keep Linux USB handy. We'll see you on the next ramble. Like, follow, and subscribe.